Are you an adult?
Hi. Are you being an adult? Bless you. You're just sitting there like any adult would.
I know. That's
There you
weird.
go.
Hey, Mr. Chunks. Hello.
Oh, bless you.
Oh, don't fall over. You think I'm lopsided, Mom?
I'm doing adult things now.
Yeah, I like to sit up and can't wait to start walking and mowing the lawn and
Ow! He
washing
just
the
said
dishes
ow.
so Dad doesn't have to.
Look
Yeah.
at He's so happy. Oh.
Yeah, you like the idea of washing the dishes, huh? Huh.
Damiancito. I love Papa. I love Yummy.
We're having a tough morning this morning.
Is it kind of dusty up there?
Yeah.
Morning.
What is that camera, huh? Still haven't figured that out.
He doesn't like the camera.
No.
He's like, why is Mommy having this square thing in front of her face?
Yeah.
I guess it's a rectangle. I know what it is. I know it. I love you, David. Oh.